Tired of choosing the same export settings every single time? Welcome back to day 27. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. You can save your favorite settings as a custom preset to make exporting a one-click process. Let's learn how in under 3 minutes. Click the share icon, but this time, instead of choosing an option, click Add Destination at the bottom of the menu. This window shows your current export destinations. On the right, you'll see different types of exports you can create. Let's drag the export file option into our list on the left. Now we can customize this new preset. Let's rename it My YouTube Preset. Then we can set the format to computer and the codec to H.264. Just like we always do. Once you close this window, your custom preset is saved. Now, when you click the share icon, you'll see My YouTube Preset right in the menu. Just click it, choose where to save, and you're done. No need to check the settings every time. Custom presets are a huge time saver. Now that you know how to finish a project, let's talk about keeping your computer tidy. In the next video, we'll learn how to manage your Final Cut Pro libraries. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 28.